In this video I'm going to show you how to prepare your oil paper before you start painting. So I've just got a DAS oil pad here with A4 size sheets, and I've just taken a piece of paper out of the pad and I've made a start. I am using delicate surface frog tape for this. So this was recommended to me by an artist. And what I do is just simply rip the tape. Now, to mitigate it damaging the tape when you take it off, I hold the tape against my clothes and then rip it off, and that makes it less tacky. And then I just go right to the edge, so you don't have to do any measurements or anything to create a neat margin around your painting. Now I'll just do one more piece. Now what I normally do, rather than hold it against my sleeve, but I was just trying to show you, is I just hold it against my body a few times and then I carefully place it at the edge of the paper. And there we are. It's ready to start your painting. So I repeat this process on 3 to 4 sheets of paper. This is what I get my students to do in the workshop. And I find that if you work on a few pieces at once, it stops overthinking, which I think is particularly important doing abstract work. It also means you can do a layer of paint on one sheet and then move on to the next sheet and then the next sheet. So you don't go layer after layer after layer on just one sheet. And it means that it's got more time to set up and dry a bit. So you're less likely to be making mud if you work on several pieces at once, instead of layer after layer after layer on one piece, and you've got much more chance of making mud if you do that. And I'll get on to the final piece. The bit of the tape that you need to make sure is bound firmly is the bit that's the closest to the paint, so that you don't get any paint seeping underneath. So just be firm on that side of the tape. And there we have it, 3 sheets all ready for painting.